Right. Yeah, that's a great question because I think, yes, that freedom that technology has given everyone. Di ba ngayon, para maging isa kang star, you're free to be one if you want to. And you have the platform with not much control from anybody. So I think ganun din yung nangyari sa amin. Although it was unfortunate, hindi ba? Maybe it really is the sign of the times. Pero ang isa sa mga natutunan ko rin, Dimples, si Dimples and I, pag nag-uusap kami, matalinhaga parati. And I remember mentioning that there's this great thinker na ang sabi niya, what is the best thing that you can teach your child? So marami world peace, be kind to others. Sabi niya, no, the best thing you can teach your children is adapt to change. Because that is the one constant in life. And when you are able to adapt to change, you will flourish regardless of the circumstance. And nagkataon yung aming henerasyon ni Pat P, although nakatatanda siya sa akin ng mga 2 siglo.
OMG!
2 siglo, oo.
Naglalabasan na ng edad.
Oo. Naaabutan namin lahat ng mga pagbabagong ito. And I am very proud to have been honed by ABS-CBN because ngayon, kung ako yung natatalakan dati, ako na ngayon ang tagatala. Oo, kami na ngayon ang mga poste sa iba't ibang bahagi ng industriya and I'm very happy to share it with many other people.